Ever wonder what a powerful vision for your life will do? Check this out. The most valuable human sense we have is our vision. An impressive 18% of our brain is dedicated to visual processing, which is called the occipital lobe. Beyond that, 80% of the sensory stimuli we take in are vision driven, where our eyes take in 10 million pieces of information per second and transfer them to the brain. But vision plays a much larger role in our lives than just being our predominant sense. It also helps to guide our future. In order to achieve our dream lifestyle, we need to have clarity on what that is and how it's different from how things are right now. The only way to get where you want to go is to first know where you're headed. And that's what having a life vision does for you. The crazy thing is, it's easy to do. We can close our eyes and picture a different life right now. We can place ourselves in new environments, doing new things with new people. Our vision is simply a possibility of what our reality could be. In fact, having a vision makes it our reality instantaneously. This requires a little bit of quantum physics to understand. We live in a three-dimensional plane that follows the laws of three-dimensional physics. Our thoughts are not tangible in this plane, but exist in higher dimensions, also known as higher levels of consciousness. When you have a vision, you're thinking in such a way that you're changing your present reality in a dimension that you can't perceive. In energy work, this is what we call changing your frequency. Your thoughts create your reality in a different, non-physical plane. What's fascinating is how that interacts with our 3D lives. As long as we can maintain that vision and continue to live it within our thoughts, it becomes a pull force that attracts the details of that life into our physical 3D plane. This is a version of the law of attraction. The evidence of this is how it shifts our awareness. We become more aware of the dots that have been in front of us the whole time that now we begin to connect. Things hidden in plain sight that are stepping stones to our dream life become visible like never before. Creating a vision and connecting with it often helps you see what you were once blind to. I'm Brian Ford. You grew today. Let's do it again tomorrow on Self-Improvement Daily.